In this video, we will understand the automatic AMC proposal process. An AMC, annual maintenance contract, is a service agreement between a company and a customer for maintenance over a fixed period. Whenever a contract is scheduled to expire within the next 3 months, the system automatically generates an AMC proposal for renewal. Additionally, proposals can also be created manually. To generate a proposal manually, navigate to the Contract Management module. Under this module, go to the Contracts tab and select the Contract Proposal option. Once you click on Contract Proposal, the screen displays all generated proposals. You can search for specific proposals using filters such as Organization, Status, From Date and to Date. This helps you quickly find the required proposal. If you want to create a new proposal manually for contracts that are about to expire, within 3 months, the next day, or even today, simply select the building and project number, then click on Create. If a contract is not expiring within the selected time frame, it will not appear in the search results. You can adjust the From Date and to Date filters to refine your search. Once you click the Create button, a new proposal is generated, along with a unique proposal number, a system-generated reference ID. For contracts expiring within 3 months, the system also generates proposals automatically. Click on the proposal number to view details. The system automatically fills in previously saved contract information under the AMC Proposal Information section. Here, you will see Proposal Number, Office, pre-selected and cannot be changed, Account Manager Terms and Conditions, Billing Type, Payment Mode, Calendar Period Type. It means contract duration format, example monthly or yearly. Currency, Price Code, Pricing Structure Identifier, Task Code, Service-Related Activity Code. You can also choose whether the pricing is inclusive of tax, exclusive of tax. You may add details such as purchase order number and reception details if required. Next, select the start date and end date for the contract and click on Save. Once you click Save, you can proceed to the other tabs. Customer details are automatically generated here. Information such as sold to party and bill to party will be displayed based on previously entered data. In this section, you can view the previously added contract details. For example, the contract type may be comprehensive. It means includes full service and parts. To add a new offer, click on Add Offer. Select the contract type. Add parts or service grades. It means levels of service coverage. Then click on Add Offer to proceed. You can also update pricing using the Change Pricing option. Pricing can be updated in 3 ways: Unit Price, Offer Price, Period Price. After entering the required pricing, click on Save. The updated price will be applied to the contract. To view details, click on Proposal Payment History. The report will be downloaded automatically. This report includes previous price and updated price, system-generated offer values based on predefined matrix, applied taxes, from date and to date, username of the person who made changes. This is an important report for tracking pricing changes. You can also check the audit report if required. Under the Reports section, multiple reports are available, such as Offer Calculation Report, Last Year Price Calculation, Paid Offer Details, Service Email Notification Report. After saving all details and updating offers and pricing, click on Template. Then click on Generate Document. The system will generate a standard document that includes customer details, proposal reference, pricing table, payment terms. You can edit the document after it is generated. After generating the document, go to the Proposal Info tab and update the status. Generated proposal. Sent to customer. Approved by customer. Generate final contract. Once you select Generate Final Contract, the system generates a new contract with initiated status. This contract will be available under the Contract screen, where you can view it. This completes the overall process of the AMC proposal, including proposal creation, pricing updates, report generation, and final contract creation.